Hello everyone, I am Dr. P. Kumari, working as Associate Professor in Department of Mathematics, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Today I am going to discuss about some of the problems on divergence and curl. In previous videos, I discussed what is the divergence and what is the curl, what are the formulas we are going to use to solve for the problems. So just I will give the outlines about the divergence and curl, and I will explain the some of the problems here. So what is the divergence of a vector? We can see here. So divergence of f equal to I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y k dot dou f by dou z. So that is nothing but we can write this one divergence f bar equal to del dot f bar. So after doing the dot product, we will get the scalar point function here. So coming to curl of a vector, so curl f bar equal to del cross f bar. So del cross f bar means we are going to do the dead value here. So I here, when you are doing with respect to I, we will write these two. So dou f3 by dou y and dou f2 by dou z. In the same way, here minus j. When you are doing with the j, here we will do dou f3 by dou x minus dou f1 by dou z. Next, when you are doing with k here, plus k dou f2 by dou x minus dou f1 by dou y. So this is the formula, this is the dead value when you are doing about the curl. So if curl f bar equal to 0, we can say that that function is irrotational. If divergence f bar equal to 0, then we can say that that function is solenoid. So here find A, B, C if the vector is f bar equal to 2x plus 3y plus az into I bar plus bx plus 2y plus 3z into z bar plus 2x plus cy plus 3z into k bar is irrotational. So in the question, what they are saying, we have to find the constants ABC, what they are in the vector f. So what is the f here? 2x plus 3y plus az into I bar. So here there is no a value. So we have to find a here, and here plus bx plus 2y plus 3z into z bar. So we have to find this b also. Next one is plus 2x plus cy plus 3z into k bar. So we have to find the c value. That means we have to find a, b, c values. So then if this vector is irrotational, so what is the meaning of irrotational here? When curl f bar equal to 0, then we can say that the function is irrotational. So here what we can say, if curl f bar equal to 0, then we can say that this is the irrotational. So that means first we have to find the curl f bar, then we have to equate to 0, then we can find the ABC values. So first of all, what is the given function here? F bar equal to 2x plus 3y plus az into I bar plus bx plus 2y plus 3z into z bar plus 2x plus cy plus 3z into k bar. Is it clear? This is the given f. So according to the given data, they are saying that curl f bar equal to 0. How we can say that curl f bar is 0? In the question only they are saying that it is irrotational. What is the meaning of the irrotational? So if curl f bar equal to 0, then we can say that f bar is irrotational. So based on this definition, we are going to find first curl f bar, then we are going to equate 0 to find the ABC values. What is the formula for the curl f bar? Curl f bar equal to det of I, j, k and given functions what they have here. So here del cross f, curl f bar is nothing but del cross f bar. So what is the del cross here? I, dou by dou x plus j, dou by dou y plus k, dou by dou z. Cross f is f1i plus f2j plus f3k. What is the f1 here? f1 equal to 2x plus 3y plus az. This is the f1. What is the f2 value? f2 equal to vx plus 2y plus 3z. And f3 equal to 2x plus cy plus 3z. So f1, f2, f3. So by using this, we are going to find the curl f. Now, what is the curl f? Curl f is nothing but del cross f. So here, first we are writing the det value, that is det of I, j, k. So this one is dou by dou x del value and dou by dou y and dou by dou z. Here f bar is f1i plus f2j plus f3k. So here f1, f2, f3. So now what is the f1 value? 2x plus 3y plus az. Next, what is the f2 value? Bx plus 2y plus 3z. What is the f3 value here? 2x plus cy plus 3z. So this is the way to represent the that value by using the given functions or given vectors. So here now we are going to find the that value according to the formula what I told you before. Here by using this formula we are going to calculate the curl f value. Now so here I. So when I am doing I here, so we have to calculate this value. That is cross product here. Dou by dou y of dou by dou y of 2x plus cy plus 3z minus dou by dou z of bx plus 2y plus 3z. So now first we will calculate that value. Dou by dou y of 2x plus cy plus 3z. Dou by dou y of 2x plus cy 3z. So now these values when I am doing with respect to y, so first term is 0. Second term is c, y is 1 plus third term is 0. So I got here c. First one is c. Next minus what is the value? Dou by dou z of bx plus 2y plus 3z. What is this value now? So with respect to z I am doing b and x. B and x both are constants, so this term is 0. Plus 2 and y both are constants, so this term is 0. Plus 3 into z value is 1. So here this value is 3. So now I got dou by dou of this cross product value is 3c minus 3 into I1. Now I am doing the next value, second value is minus j of. So when I am doing for j, I need to do the cross product for these four. So dou by dou x of 2x plus cy plus 3z minus dou by dou z of 2x plus 3y plus az. So what is the first value here? Minus j of dou by dou x of 2x plus cy plus 3z. So 2 into x derivative is 1 plus c and y both are constant, so 0, and third term also 0. This is the value of dou by dou x of this value. Minus dou by dou z of 2x plus 3y plus az. So 2 and x both are constant, so first term is 0, plus 3 and y both are constant, second term also 0, plus a into z value is 1. So finally this is minus j into 2 minus a, 2 minus a. So minus j bar into 2 minus a. Next, third value. Now, k plus k bar. So when I'm doing k here, so I need to do the cross product for these two values. So dou by dou x of bx plus 2y plus 3z minus dou by dou y of 2x plus 3y plus az. Now I'm going to do this value here. So k bar into dou by dou x of bx plus 2y plus 3z value b into x derivative is 1 plus 2y. 2 and y both are constant, so this is 0 plus 3 and z both are constant, this is also 0. So first value is b. Now minus dou by dou y of. So here dou by dou y of. So now x and y. Here I am having 2 and x both are constant, so this term is 0. Next plus 3 into dou by dou y of y. So that value is 1 plus a and z both are constant here, so that term is 0. So finally this is k bar into b minus 3. So I got here plus b minus 3 into k bar, b minus 3 into k bar. So finally I got this dead value, that is curl f bar equal to c minus 3 into I bar plus j into 2 minus a plus k into b minus 3. So according to the given data, what they are saying, this vector is irrotational. So this is irrotational. So here this is irrotational means irrotational. So what is that? Curl f is 0, then we can say that that is the irrotational. So that means we have to equate this value is equal to 0 according to the given data. So they are saying that here f bar is irrotational. So curl f bar equal to 0. So here curl f bar equal to 0. So we are writing here. So curl f bar equal to 0 means this is 0 bar. 0 bar is nothing but 0 I plus 0 j plus 0 k. So now we are equating the first sequence. Now we are equating first value, that is c minus 3 equal to 0. Next minus of 2 minus a, that is 2 minus a minus 2 equal to 0. Next b minus 3 equal to 0. Now according to this, first one is c minus 3 equal to 0. Next second one is minus of 2 minus a is nothing but 2 minus a minus 2 equal to 0. Now, third one is b minus 3 equal to 0. So, if c minus 3 equal to 0, what is the c value? That is 3. If a minus 2 equal to 0, what is the a value? Is 2. So, if b minus 3 equal to 0, what is the b value? That is 3. So, now I got the a, b, c values. C equal to 3, b equal to 2 and a equal to 2 and b equal to 3. These are the values I got here. A equal to 2, b equal to 3 and c equal to 3. So in the question what they are asking to find the constant values or constant values. So a value is 2, b value is 3 and c value is 3. So this is the way to find out the ABC constants by using the definition of the irrotational. So first you have to know about the what is the irrotational definition. So irrotational definition is if curl f bar is equal to 0, then we can say that that function is irrotational. If you know this basic point, then only you can solve this problem. Because if you don't know how we can find the ABC values, right? So first we should know about the basic points or definitions. We have to first go through. After then you can solve these problems. Okay, clear? See the next problem. If f of r is differentiable, if f of r is differentiable, we show that curl of r bar into f of r. is equal to 0. If f of r is differentiable, we have to show that this value is equal to 0. Where if they given the problem in terms of t, already I told you, you have to remember about the r. R bar is xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. So here you should know about r square. Also r square is nothing but x square plus y square plus z square. These are the basic points you should know before solving this problem. So here first we can calculate this value dou r by dou x and dou r by dou y and dou r by dou z by using the r square. So why we need these values, we can see here. First what they are asking to find or to show curl r for f of r equal to 0. So first we will calculate that one. After that, what are the inner terms we can use? We can see here. So first of all, here they are asking to show that curl of r bar into f of r equal to 0, right? So here, what is the r bar into f of r? First we will calculate. After then, we can do the curl. So here r is xi. So we can see here f of r into r bar is xi plus yj plus zk. This is the value. Now I am going to multiply this one. So x into f of r I bar plus y into f of r j bar plus z into f of r k. So now by using this one, curl f or nothing but here curl in place of f, we are having r bar into f of r. So now curl of x f of r I plus y f of r j plus z f of r k. This is the, so we have to put this value is equal to 0. To find the curl means what we have to calculate? Curl of del cross f bar. F bar means in here r into f of r. So here what is the f1, what is the f2, what is the f3? You can see here del cross f bar. See here, yeah, del cross f bar is nothing but det of I j k. Del is dou by dou x is dou by dou y dou by dou z. Here f1, f2 and f3, this is the red value we are going to find. So in the place of f, we are having here r bar into f of r. R bar into f of r. What we got for the r bar into f of r? R bar into f of r equal to x into f of r I plus y into f of r j plus z into f of r k. So here according to this is the f1 I plus f2 j plus f3 k. So according to that, what is the f1 value? F1 equal to x into f of r. Next f2 equal to y into f of r. Next f3 is z into f of r. Now we are writing here to find out the curl of r into f of r. So now in place of f, we are writing here curl of r into f of r. So here f1, f2, f3, in place of f1, f2, f3, we will write here. This one is x into f of r, y into f of r, and z into f of r. Now we are going to calculate this state value. So you can observe here first I into. So when I doing for the I, so we are going to do the cross product like this. So dou by dou y of z f of r, okay, minus dou by dou z of dou by dou z of y into f of r. This is the first term. Next minus j into. when I'm doing for the j here, we'll cross these two. We are going to do the cross product of these two. So dou by dou x of z f of r minus 2 by dou z of x into f of r here. This is the second. Next coming to third, that is k. So plus k into when I am doing here for the k. So we will do the cross product for the these two terms. So dou by dou x of y f of r minus dou by dou y of x f of x f of r. So this is the third value. So we can observe here plus k. Now we have here summation means here they written only I value. So when you are removing the summation, we have to write it 3 times. Otherwise, 3 terms I, j, k. Otherwise, we can write the summation like this also. Now finally, we can observe this. So here I. So we can do the cross product here. Dou by dou y of z f of r minus dou by dou z of y f of r. This is the first one. Minus j. Now we are doing the cross product here for these two terms. So dou by dou x of z f of r minus dou by dou z of x f of r. Next third one is plus k. Plus k here. Dou by dou x of y f of r minus dou by dou y of x f of r. So now we are doing the value here I. Dou by dou y of z f of r. So what is the value here? I can write here. So I dou by dou y of z f of r. That means z is the constant. So for the f of r, we are doing that f dash of r, and for the r, dou r by dou y, dou r by dou y minus. Now we are doing with respect to z, so y is the constant. Now we are writing f of r is f dash of r. Next dou r by dou z. Here we are doing with respect to z, right? So dou r by dou z. This is about the first term. Next second term is plus minus. For the j, minus will be there. Minus j. So here dou by dou x of z f of r. So z is the constant. F is f dash of r. Dou r by dou x minus with respect to z we are doing here x is the constant. Again f of r is f dash of r. Dou r by dou z. This is the second one. Next coming to third one, plus k. Dou by dou x of y f of r. So here y is the constant. For f of r we are writing f dash of r and dou r by dou x. Here dou r by dou x. Minus now we are doing with respect to y here. So x is the constant. So f of r is f dash of r. So dou r by dou y. So first we should know about the dou r by dou y, dou r by dou z and dou r by dou x. Then we can replace here to find out is it equal to 0 or not. So to calculate that value, already I told you we should know about the r square. What is the r square here? So we can see. So here r square. So r square equal to x square plus y square plus z square. So what is r square equal x square plus y square plus z square. Now from this I am going to find the dou r by dou x, dou r by dou y and dou r by dou z. So here r square derivative is 2r. Now I am doing with respect to x. So dou r by dou x equal to 2x. Remaining y square is 0 and z square is 0. I can get this value here. Dou r by dou x equal to x by r. So next I am doing with respect to y. So 2r into tau r by 2y is equal to 2y. Remaining two terms are 0 because those are constants. Now tau r by 2y equal to y by r. Next one is I am doing with respect to z now. So dou r by dou z. So this is 2z. Remaining two terms are constants. So now dou r by dou z equal to z by r. So now I got the values of dou r by dou x, dou r by dou y and dou r by dou z. I am going to replace here to find out the final value. So now I am substituting in the first term. So here I z into f bar of r, dou r by dou y value is y by r. Okay, minus y into f dash of r, dou r by dou z. Dou r by dou z value is z by r. This is the first term. Next, minus z into the second term z into f dash of r. So dou r by dou x is x by r minus x into f dash of r here. Dou r by dou z is z by r. Next coming to the third term plus k into here y into f dash of r. Dou r by dou x. Dou r by dou x is x by r minus x into f dash of r. Dou r by dou y is y by r. Now finally we are calculating. So here first term I into z by f dash of r by r minus same y z f dash of r by r. So nothing but this value is so first value is 0. First value is 0. Now the same way for here also xz f bar of r by r. Here zx f bar of r by r. So this is also 0. Next y f bar of r and xy and yz. Here also 0. So now I got first term is 0. Now I got first term is 0 here and second term also 0 and third term also 0. So finally I got 0 bar. So finally curl r bar into f of r value is 0 bar. 0 bar. So this is the way to calculate the problem to find out the curl of the given function in terms of r. See this one. Now, next one. If A bar is a rotational vector, evaluate divergence of A bar cross R bar, where R bar equal to xi plus yj plus zk. So, here the given vector is R bar equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Now, what they are saying? A bar is a rotational vector. So, A bar is a rotational vector means what they are saying? According to the definition, del cross A bar is 0 bar. So, why? Because here A bar is an irrotational vector. So, we can say that del cross A bar is 0. So, what we have to find here? Divergence of A cross R bar. What is the divergence of A cross R bar? Divergence means divergence of A bar cross R bar. So, divergence means we can write this one as a dot product. So, del dot A bar cross R bar. So according to the form, here we can write R bar dot del cross A bar minus A bar dot del cross R bar. So del cross A bar is 0 bar. So we are replacing here 0 bar minus A bar dot del cross R bar. So this value is 0. Finally we got minus A bar dot del cross R bar. So here this value we should know about. So now we are calculating first del cross R bar here. Del cross R bar. Del cross R bar means del is I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z. So now ijk we are writing coefficients of ijk. So dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Next R is xi plus yj plus zk. So x, y, z. Now I got x value, that is f1, f2 and f3. So x, y, z. Now I am doing the cross product here. So here I into, so when I am doing respect, I can do the cross multiplication of these two values. 2 by 2y of z minus 2 by 2z of, this is the first one, minus j into, now I am doing with respect to j means I can use the remaining four values. So that is 2 by 2x of z minus 2 by 2z of x. So 2 by 2x of z here, 2 by 2z of x. So this is the second term plus k into, so now I can do the cross product here, 2 by 2x of y minus 2 by 2y of x. So now I into 2 by 2y of z, and with respect to z we are doing, so 0 minus 0, this is the first one, minus j into here, respect to x I am doing, so 0 minus 0 here, because with respect to z I am doing, this term is a constant, so 0, this is also 0. The third term, so plus k into 2x by 2x of y, so this term is 0, minus 2 by 2y of x, this term is 0. So finally I got this is 0 bar, this is 0 bar. So that means del cross r bar is 0. So that means a bar dot 0 value also 0. So here a dot del cross r bar is 0, and before already that is equal to divergence a bar plus r bar. So this is 0 means we can say that. So here we got a bar dot del cross r bar equal to 0. So nothing but this is a bar dot del cross r bar is equal to divergence of a bar cross r bar. So this is 0 means divergence of a bar cross r bar also 0. So we can see here the divergence of a bar plus r bar value is 0. So this is the way we can calculate the given problem if they given the proofs like this in terms of r. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.